Hello everyone, welcome back to Knowledge Elevator. My name is Tariq Rahim, and in this quick tutorial I am going to show you how you can apply light lab effect on your picture and Canva, and this is really simple. It will not take that much time from you. Simply log into Canva and upload your picture. So on the left side you can see there is search bar. Simply search here light lab. So when you search here light lab, so you can see at the top there is option. Just simply click here, and now you can see there is multiple option available over there when it comes to colors and lights. So you can choose according to your own interest. It's totally on you what you want. Simply click there. So for example, I am interested in this one, so I will click here, and now you can see light lab effect is applied on my picture. And then there is further options available. You can change lights to the top and to the bottom to the center. It's completely on you what you want. You can simply do it from here. At the bottom you can see there is another option, intensity and distance. You can also adjust intensity and distance of your picture from here. Beside that, there is another option, show final image only. So when you click here, they will show you how your picture will look like after this light lab effect. So if you are satisfied that yes, your picture is done, simply save this, and yeah, you can see this is your picture. And simply go to share option and download your picture from here. So after this feature, the next amazing feature that we have in Canva is how you can add voiceover to your video. And Canva is really something very special and very simple. So what you will do, simply log into Canva, and when you log into Canva, simply go to search bar. On the left panel you can see there is a search bar. For example, I'm going to write here nature. So I have multiple options available. I'm going to click on this video. So for example, I have this video. Now you can see there is option add audio, add music. So I will click on this, and if I'm going to add voiceover, so I also have upload option. So if I have voiceover ready, I will click on upload and go to file and upload my file, my voiceover here. But if I have no voiceover, I will simply click on record yourself, and then you can see there is record voiceover, record taking head, and also screen recorder for desktop. All these things are available over there. So I will click on record yourself. So now I have option of recording. I will click here and start my recording here, and from start to the end I will record my voice over here. It's really simple, but it's really very special thing when it comes to Canva. So when you finish your recording, adjust it a little bit. If you want, do some editing. If you want, it's available over there. Canva will give you multiple options. So if you are satisfied from your work, simply go to share and download your work. This next amazing feature that we have in Canva is expand feature. How you can expand your picture. So simply upload your picture in Canva and click on crop option. At the top you can see there is crop option available. So there is two option again, crop and expand. But we are going to expand our picture, so for that we will click on that. But at the bottom you can see there is also aspect ratio available. Simply click on expand, and again there is free form and whole page options available. So simply click here, and then Canva will do it for you in just few seconds. Now just look, our picture is completed. They added some design like some flower and also some more things, light or other stuff here. So it's really look amazing now, and this is very amazing feature when it comes to Canva. This is really something special. Beside that, you can also edit this picture when you click on the edit. So there is multiple option available for further editing. So if you think that this is done, simply click on share and download your picture in high quality. Now I will move toward another amazing feature of Canva, how you can generate code by using Canva. This is really simple thing. Simply log into Canva and click on Canva AI, and then there is the option of code. Simply click here on code, and then for example, I'm going to make a game layout by using Canva. So for that I will need a prompt, and I prepared this prompt by using ChatGPT. So now I have ready prompt here. What I will do, I will simply paste here, and then after pasting here I will read if there is any correction that I want to do. So I can do it here, but if I think that everything is ready, there is option of arrow. I will simply click on that. So after submission, you can see there is code generating starting. So they are now generating code for my game. It will take a while. Now you can see coding for you, and they are showing that how many lines they generated for me. So this is really very amazing feature when it comes to Canva AI. So they are really they are adding some amazing features in 2025. So now you can see our game is ready. Shape tape challenge. So you can see there is option of start game. If you click on start game, so game will start it. But on the left panel you can see there is a chat option available if you want to improve your game, if you want to do some changing. So if you want to do some changes here, so you can simply write here, give another prompt. You can talk to Canva AI and they will do changes for you. So for example, I am going to do some changes at the bottom. I will write here, and now they will fix it for me. So it will take a while. Now their response is here. They said that yes, we fix it according to your requirement. Now our game is ready. If I click on start game, now you can see it's just started. So this is really something very simple, very amazing, and you can do it in just few minutes. At the top there is option of show code. If you want to show your code, you simply click on this, so you can see your code. And beside that you can simply copy. There is option of copy code, so you can simply copy your code and use in some other platform if you want. That's all from my side. Thank you so much for your time. If you like the video, hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel, so we can get back to you with another amazing video with some new features. So see you in next video. Have a good day. Enjoy your time.